Hello.
How are you?
Fine, bro. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you for asking.
Yes.
So I can see you're from India.
Yes, I am from India.
Okay, nice.
And you are from
So
Bangladesh.
yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah.
So what are you doing now?
Right now I'm talking to you.
Okay, okay. So basically, what do you do? What is your occupation?
What's my education qualification you are asking?
What is your profession?
Okay. Right now I'm studying in college, okay? I am pursuing college with computer science and engineering.
Okay,
Yeah.
which is really nice. So how long days you have been practicing English?
Where? Here on this application or you're talking about another?
No, in this application.
I think I have been using this application since last only 4 days.
4 days. Okay, so I can say you are a newcomer in this application.
Yeah, yeah. I'm a new one.
Okay, okay. So how is your feel? What is how is your Is this good application? What do you think?
What I do, I think that I was finding on YouTube that which application is best for English conversation videos. So I like thought I found that this application on YouTube. So I downloaded that. And the most important thing is that you are talking to stranger, you are having conversation. It's good, very nice, and you are having people from other countries like Yama, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or some other countries. So it feels good. Or I can say that the main thing in this application is that like this application is free of cost. Yeah, free of cost. You are not having to pay something, or you are not having to pay your subscription. You are not having to take subscriptions on these kind of things. You are having only 5 tickets. You can talk to the person 5 times in a day. So it's very nice to do practice on this application. And I want to tell you one thing also, that I am also a YouTuber, and I make some videos about English, how to speak, how to make how to build communication skills, how to take interviews. These kind of things I make on YouTube. So I think for me this application is very good, very good, very nice, because I have seen so many applications except of this. They are like asking, they are, you can say, raising their hand in the pocket, like you can say they are asking for 5,000 rupees, 500 rupees per month. So like I think we are the people, those who are not able to pay something or not able to have something. So this application is nice for poverty level, at beginner level, at pro level also.
That's nice. Yeah, you tell me it's true. And yeah, I'm using this application maybe estimate 2 or 3 months. But yeah, um, like I recommended other people who are interested to improve their communication because it's a free of cost. So that definitely it will be very good for us. But one disadvantage in this application, I think so. It is they provide like sh- they provide time like a 7 minute, 5 minute. So when I talk with someone, like I want to talk with him or her more time, but it won't be possible. So that's why sometimes I feel it's maybe like this application disadvantage. But yeah, maybe, but also it is nice.
Yeah, yeah, it's very nice, I think so. Because you are having only 7 minutes is not good, but I think they are giving us free of cost, and they are not asking to pay something. So I think it is good. You are having 7 minutes, or I think it's enough to talk.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And you are, if you are
Definitely.
having long
So
conversation, like
actually, are you a
sometime
student?
sometime what happen, you are talking to someone and you are having to take break because of 7 minutes. You are not able to talk so more. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
this happens a
yeah.
lot.
That's true. That's true. I think that's why like this application authority, they are thinking about this. Yeah, after 7 minutes, definitely you should take time. So that's why, after 7 minutes, you can take, and then again you start the newcomer.
Yeah, but I found so
Yeah,
many
which is
people over
really
there.
nice.
I think mainly I found people from Yama.
Myanmar.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there is a lot of person in Myanmar. Yeah, I talked before Myanmar people. Yeah, were very good. And yeah, I found a lot of not just Asian countries person. I found Spanish. I found what should I say? Guatemala. So yeah, I found a lot of different countries
Yeah,
person. So yeah, which
I
is
mainly
really
found
nice.
people from India, I think.
Okay, okay. So maybe first time you meet like Bangladeshi people.
No, no, no. I have talked with I think 5 to 6 people.
So brother, okay. So like I want to discuss on you later. So I have to give you my WhatsApp number. Okay.
Okay, what will you learn from me?
Okay, brother. I already messaged you. You just took the screenshot.